Hey everybody, it's Jamie from Schedulicity, and in this video we're going to talk about waivers. With our waivers tool, you're able to provide a liability waiver to your clients. Your clients will be able to acknowledge the waiver during the booking process. You can also update the waiver as needed and track which clients have seen them or not. Keep in mind you can track your clients' acknowledgements manually within your Schedulicity account. To set up a liability waiver for your classes or workshops, let's run through these steps. Go to the settings area in the Schedulicity dashboard, click on the policies tile, select the class policies tile. Under class waivers, click on the check mark besides display waiver online when your clients are booking. Additionally, you can enter your liability waiver in the text box below. Once your online class waiver is entered, save your changes. If you would prefer to set up a liability waiver for your workshops, select the workshops policies tile and run through the same steps. Once you've created your liability waivers, your clients will be prompted to acknowledge these waivers before they're allowed to book with you. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions. Keep in mind you can your clients will be able to, if you prefer to set up, I can't work like this. Bang, bang, bang on the door, honey. Knock a little louder, honey. I can't hear you. Nope. They were quiet that time. Okay. All right.